Hi there. What is an article? You know, I always ask my students this when I'm teaching it. What is an article? And I always get the same answer. They always say, oh, it's one of those reports in a newspaper or a magazine. Well, yeah, it is. That's an article, but it's not that article we're doing. We're doing grammar. It's a grammar article. It's a different thing altogether. So if you're looking for a video, how to write a newspaper article, you're on the wrong one. You need to be on a different video. I might do one of those later, I don't know. But anyway, this is what is an article, a grammar article. Okay. So an article is a word that is used before a noun to identify its type or quantity. And there are three types of article in English. We call them definite articles, indefinite articles, and much less used, but it's still there, zero articles. Definite articles, the definite article is the word the. So you see it becomes before a verb before a noun when it says the dog, the cat, the table. That is a definite article. And it's used to refer to a specific noun, something already specifically known. So for example, the cat is on the mat. You'll see when we come on to indefinite articles how it contrasts. But this is when it's a cat that's a particular cat, not a general one. By contrast, indefinite articles are a or an. And these are used with nouns referring to something unspecific, a general example. So a would be used before singular nouns that start with a consonant sound. So for example, I saw a dog. Dog starts with D. D is a consonant. It's not a vowel. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we use a. An we use before singular nouns that start with a vowel sound. For example, I ate an apple. You wouldn't say I ate an apple. Just doesn't sound right. So if it's a noun that starts with a vowel, it's going to use an for the indefinite article. Okay. And just to wrap things up, zero articles. Zero article is used when there is no article before a noun, as the name suggests. This is usually the case when the noun is general or when it's already known to the listener. For example, I like cats. You wouldn't say I like the cats or I like a cat or some cats. You would just say I like cats in a very general sense. Cats are cute. Similar. So what have we learnt? We've learned that in English there's three types of article: definite article, indefinite article, zero article. The is the definite article used before specific nouns, the ones that are known examples. A and an, by contrast, are indefinite articles, and they're used before unspecific nouns, general nouns. Okay, over to you. Could you see the description to this video? And there are worksheets and activities that are mentioned there for you to use as follow-on activities, so you can then start using articles for yourself. Also, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you can then be notified of any future videos that we put up about all types of English grammar. And please visit my website, which is adamsfreeenglish.com. I'm going to put all my lessons on there, along with lots of other useful information, reviews of other English websites, and lots of general stuff, all of it free. So I hope this has been useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.